go.
Okay, this yellowish covering is the greater omentum. You have your small intestine and your large intestine. We have the jejunum, there. And we have the ileum here. And then we have the, take this out. Oh well. Okay. And now we have the cecum right here. And we have the appendix there. And then we have the ileocecal sphincter, which is right here. And then we have the haustra. Those are the bumps that you see everywhere. And then we have the tinea coli, which is kind of right down the middle. And then we have the ascending colon, which is this area here. Transverse colon is kind of the middle part. The descending colon is here. And then the sigmoid colon is this end part, and that leads to the anus.